Hello beautiful people, you are welcome back. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a green breakfast smoothie that is also good for your weight loss. So in case you are trying to lose some weight, this recipe here, this smoothie here is for you. So like always, I'm going to carry you guys through the ingredients for this smoothie. In there I have like a handful of spinach, fresh spinach and baby spinach, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of protein powder, 1 banana. So I'm going to start by adding my handful spinach into my blender. I'm just going to add all the ingredients into my blender, and I will be introducing also my last ingredient, which is going to be a cup of almond milk. So you feel free to use any liquid of your choice. At times I also make this with just water. So you can use almond milk, you can use vegetable milk, any milk of your choice, or you can even use water. So there I'm going to add it in there, and we are going to give this a very good blend. Now another advice that I would love to give you guys concerning this is that the day I made this video I forgot to add some ice cubes. You will enjoy it more with some ice cubes. So that is what I did the next day, and I seriously enjoyed this. It made it so creamy and so yummy. So this I'm giving a very good blend. You can see it's blending. Losing weight is all about you eating healthy, eating very good healthy, and staying healthy. So that's the only way you can really lose weight. So here is our smoothie. You can see how creamy and how yummy it is. Feel free to give this a try, guys. I bet you will love it. Give it a try and come back and you will thank me later. So thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate you. Thank you. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe if you love what you see, and see you guys on my next. Bye.